Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something that can instantly boost the shopping experience on your WordPress e-commerce store. It's a powerful search plugin that makes it super fast and easy for your customers to find exactly what they want. Let's dive into the features that make this plugin a must-have for any online store. Lightning fast Ajax live search. As your customer types, search results appear instantly. This real-time searching makes everything quicker and smoother. Voice search. This makes searching faster, hands-free, and much more convenient, especially on mobile, leading to better user experience and higher engagement. Search products, posts, and pages. This isn't just product only. You can search your entire site. Product titles, descriptions, categories, SKUs, pages, and even blog posts. Autocomplete and smart suggestions. Autocomplete helps shoppers find what they're looking for even with partial or misspelled queries. Configurable display options. Add the search bar using a shortcode, widget, menu, or even custom PHP. Customization and styling. You get control over colors, styles, placeholder text, and search box appearance. So why is this plugin worth adding to your WooCommerce store? Faster shopping experience. More sales and conversions. Better user experience on mobile. Actionable insights from search data. Fits any store design. Now let me quickly show you how to add the advanced product search plugin to your WordPress website step by step. First, log into your WordPress admin panel. From the left menu, go to Plugins and click on Add New. Go to the search bar and search for Advanced WordPress Search. Install and activate the plugin. After activation, you will see the Theme Hunk menu in the dashboard, where you can customize the plugin. It is automatically set in the header of your store. To access all features, we need to upgrade our plugin to Pro. Open Theme Hunk website and go to Plugins and click on Advanced Product Search. Click on Get Started and complete the purchasing process. After this, upload the Advanced Search Pro plugin to your dashboard. Let's discover the plugin now. This section shows how you can add the product search bar using a shortcode, allowing placement anywhere on your website. Along with shortcodes, you can also integrate the search bar using widgets, menus, or custom PHP, which is important because it gives you complete flexibility to match your theme layout. Basic settings helps you control when search results appear, customize the search bar layout, and keep the interface clean and user-friendly. Options like the loader and background overlay are important because they provide clear visual feedback during searches. Advanced settings lets you control what appears in the live search results, such as showing products, limiting the number of results, and displaying helpful labels when no results are found. You can even add voice search to your website, so users can simply speak and find exactly what they're looking for. Category filters and product details like images, prices, and SKUs are important because they make search results more informative. This section defines where the search looks, such as categories, tags, attributes, descriptions, and SKUs, making results more accurate. Suggested searches and product highlights like sale, featured, and stock status help guide users faster toward popular and available products. The style section lets you customize the search bar colors, icons, and button styling to match your store design. The live preview is important because it shows real-time changes, helping you create a polished and consistent search experience without guesswork. The Boost search controls how product data is indexed to deliver faster and more accurate search results. Adjusting the index batch limit helps balance indexing speed and server performance, ensuring smooth search functionality even as your store grows. This setting helps users find relevant products even if they misspell search terms or use different words with the same meaning. Fuzzy matching levels and synonyms improve search accuracy and product discoverability. .it is important because it reduces failed searches, improves product discovery, and increases the chances of converting searches into purchases. It also comes with a search query tracker, so you can see exactly what your users are searching for, identify trends, and optimize your products or content based on real user data. It also supports Google Search Analytics, allowing you to track search performance, discover high-performing keywords, and optimize your website to attract more relevant traffic. It also includes a reset option, allowing you to restore all plugin settings back to default with just one click. And if you ever need assistance, the built-in help section gives you quick access to detailed documentation and a support option. That brings us to the end of this walkthrough. After setting up this plugin, Your store search becomes faster, smarter, and more visually polished, allowing customers to find products instantly and shop with ease. If you want to unlock all the premium features we discussed and take your store search to the next level, you can purchase the plugin directly from the ThemeHunk website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to get started. See you in the next video.